Chapter 6: Choosing the perfect niche for your KDP books. Understanding the importance of niche selection. Choosing the right niche is like laying a strong foundation for your publishing endeavors. It directly impacts your book's visibility, sales potential, and reader engagement. Here's why niche analysis matters. Target audience. A well-defined niche allows you to cater to a specific audience with tailored content. Readers searching for niche-specific books are more likely to discover your work. Competition. Niches vary in terms of competition. Some niches are oversaturated, making it challenging to stand out. Others may have untapped potential. Balancing competition and demand is crucial. Passion and expertise. Choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Writing about something you are passionate about ensures better quality and sustained motivation. I highly recommend the book Self-Publishing Your Book on Amazon KDP, The KDP Formula by Saurav Dash. This comprehensive guide covers everything from writing and formatting your book to navigating Amazon's marketplace for maximum profit. It reveals the secrets of self-publishing, helping you master book marketing and generate income. Designed to transform writers into published authors, it makes the process both visible and economical. Save resources, reach readers worldwide, and start your authorial journey today. With this tactical roadmap, get your copy now before it is too late. This investment will be a boon for a lifetime. Join me for a one-on-one coaching session on the entire self-publishing process on Amazon KDP. In these personalized sessions, you will learn everything from writing and formatting your book to mastering marketing strategies and maximizing your profits. Your one-time investment will provide maximum benefits, helping you become a successful author and manage the self-publishing process independently. You will gain hands-on experience and practical tips tailored to your unique needs. Reach us at blazegoldburst.com, email us or WhatsApp us. All information is in the description below. Steps to identify your ideal niche. Brainstorming. Start by brainstorming potential niches. Consider the following: your interests. What topics fascinate you? What do you enjoy reading or learning about? Market trends. Research current trends and popular genres. Look at bestseller lists and explore Amazon categories. Keyword research. Use relevant keywords. Think about what readers might search for. Analyzing competition. Evaluate the competition within your chosen niches. Amazon bestsellers rank ABSR. Check competitors. ABSR. Lower ranks indicate better sales performance. Aim for niches with manageable competition. Book covers and titles. Analyze existing book covers and titles. Can you create something unique and eye-catching? Content quality. Read competitor books. Identify gaps or areas where you can add value. Balancing demand and competition. High demand, low competition. The ideal scenario. Find niches where readers are hungry for content but few authors are serving them. Moderate demand, manageable competition. These niches offer stability. You won't face extreme competition, but there's still an audience. High demand, high competition. Proceed with caution. If you are confident in your abilities, consider niches with fierce competition. Choosing a niche involves a delicate balance. Be strategic, passionate, and adaptable. Remember, your niche determines not only your success but also your journey as an author. Happy niche hunting. In the next chapter, we will talk about copyright and plagiarism on Amazon KDP. Stay tuned and stay subscribed. If you are an author and want to be a guest on the Blaze Goldburst show's video podcast for an author interview, use the contact form in the link in the description below. To be eligible, you must subscribe to the channel and send us your book blurb and book link. We are selecting 100 authors who deserve to be featured. Check it out now. For more information, visit blazegoldburst.com. Email us at blazegoldburst.services@gmail.com or WhatsApp us at +91 8847 889597. Join us and share your story with a wider audience. If you prefer to avoid the hassle of self-publishing, we have got you covered. Reach out to us anytime and we will handle everything for you. From formatting your manuscript into an ebook, paperback, and hardcover to publishing it on Amazon KDP. We take care of every detail. Our team of experts ensures your book meets all the necessary standards and stands out in the marketplace. You won't need to worry about any aspect of the process. We are here to support you every step of the way. Whether it's designing an eye-catching cover, optimizing your book's metadata for better discoverability, or setting up your author profile, we have got it all covered. Let us be your dedicated supporter on this journey to becoming a published author. Visit us at blazegoldburst.com to get started. Your dream of seeing your book in the hands of readers worldwide is just a click away.